Yeah, you've got an old hiking stick, eh? One of the little features from it, it's a little compass at the top. You screw it off, then you can screw your GoPro onto the top here and use it as a stick. Yeah.
Like a zoomy.
Yeah, you don't shred it.
And how much was your walking stick? That's a compass. That's also
Hey, it was $40 from Anaconda.
nice, babe. And so look, you can have a big zoom stick. Look at aerial shot, babe. Wave. Wave. It's like a drone, babe.
Yeah.
Zoom. Hey babe.
Yep.
And it was $10 each.
Yep.
Unpowered site.
Unpowered site, yeah.
With showers, toilet, beautiful swimming hole.
Yeah, no, it's good.
5 minutes from the Fossicking fields.
Yeah, no, it's great.
And lots of wildlife. How many birds did we see? Different types?
Heaps of different sorts.
Yeah.
Have you seen a big goanna? Just sitting over here? Yeah.
And about 15 different species of birds, hey?
Yeah.
And cows.
Yep.
Here we are, packing a camp up. I think all the wild birds will miss us. And we'll miss the peace and quiet with no internet reception. Hey honey.
That's it, love.
No Facebook. Woohoo! Kenny packs the annex in there to save a bit of room. The bed, we pulled all the covers off. And we got this carpet sample which fits there perfectly, makes it nice and soft. Oven's all clean, ready to pack. How you going, Kenny?
Yeah, good, love, good. It's good when you're out this way to bring your own fuel, some extra fuel. Because last time we were at Cobalt Gorge, I honestly never had any fuel and we were running real low, and then we had to go to drive to Georgetown to get some fuel. So yeah, you just don't take it for granted.
Okay, go.
It's always it's a good tip to bring a blower as well. Well, I've seen a guy bring one out once before, and I thought, what a great idea. Blow all the dust and blow all the rubbish off the camp.
What you got there, babe?
Oh, just a bit of quartz. Yeah, nice and shiny.
That's really pretty.
Yeah, oh well.
Take a photo of it, eh? That's sort of growing in there.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell